Hello, hello! Welcome to Tutikay Vlog. This is Mommy Cherry. So last time we learned about buhok or hair, ulo for the head, agtang for the forehead, eyebrows. This is your kilay. This is your mata, the eyes, your mata, your eyelashes, the piluk. Your nose is your ilong. And your ba is your mouth. And we will add to that. So this is your aping or your cheeks, aping. And this two here are your ears, dalungan. And this inside your mouth, teeth, your ngipon. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again. Bye!